So we're down here in the basement, in the training room, on this rainy morning here in North Carolina. Spending some time with the granddaughters. Playing with Barbies right now. Well, this morning we're in the training room and we can't find Waldo. Working on some things down here, but Waldo's disappeared. Can't find Waldo. Working on a Pennsylvania Railroad B6 here. It's a little brass model. Trying to get it going. Trying to decide whether I want to make it DCC or not. Right now it's just DC. We'll see. Okay. I got her running. The question is, do I make her DCC or just leave her D? Oops, it's hung up on something. Something seemed to be catching there periodically. Okay, well, let's put the shell on her, check it out, and we'll get her running. Well, we found Waldo this morning. He was hiding down there behind those buildings. That son of a gun. We had trouble trying to get him. Couldn't locate him this morning. Got the granddaughters helping me. And I'm also working on this model of it's a replica of John Allen's Gory and Defeated number 56 Pacific. Anyway, I'm having trouble with the valve gear. It wants to keep moving on me. I can't get it tight. But I'll keep working at it. The motor runs fine. Just having issues with the valve gear. So there's a tender for it right over there. It's a United Pacific model. It's brass. Just like the one John Allen had. Anyway, just something else I'm working on down here this morning. It's a rainy morning here in North Carolina. Well, I got the shell back on. I got to do some more detailing on this. I need to put some glass in some of the windows, add some people into it, and I'd also like to wire up both the headlight and the backup light, particularly if I go to DCC, because it'll be real easy to switch directions with the lights. Anyway, that's the next project. That's probably it for tonight, today. I got a couple other things I want to get done before I'm done down here. Anyway, thanks for watching.